Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to log into WhatsApp on your mobile device. To log into WhatsApp on your mobile device, first make sure you've downloaded the app on your device. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. From your app list, tap Open WhatsApp. Tap on Agree and Continue. Now you'll need to enter your phone number to sign in. Tap on the Next button after you're done. Tap on OK to confirm that it is correct. Now a code will be automatically detected after it is sent to you. And just like that, you have logged into your WhatsApp on your mobile device. Continue and allow access to your contacts by tapping Allow. Similarly, allow access to photo, media, and files. Type in your name and tap on the Next button. As you can see that I've easily signed in to my WhatsApp with my phone number on my mobile device. If the video was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back again soon with another tutorial. Thank you for watching.